Hey, if you're new around here, welcome to the Taco Tuesday series where I cook my way through my cookbook, the Taco Tuesday cookbook, every single week. This week, pineapple is going to take these tacos to the next level because they get caramelized, which gives them that sweet flavor, tossed with the jerk chicken, and you have one unforgettable smoky sweet taco. So this fresh pineapple is already cut into bite-sized pieces, but I want to chop them up smaller so they really fit into my taco. If you don't have fresh pineapple, thaw some out from the freezer. You know, the chunks that you throw in your smoothie, and give those a chop. In a small bowl, I'm going to combine my sour cream, lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of the jerk seasoning. Give this a whisk and ta-da! It's done and ready to be refrigerated until assembly time. Now we can start on the chicken. In this bowl, I have some thinly sliced, boneless, skinless chicken breast. This makes this whole dish cook faster. So I'm gonna sprinkle it with the remaining jerk seasoning, toss to combine. So in this large skillet, I'm just gonna heat up some oil over medium-high heat. And once this is hot, I'm going to add the seasoned chicken. I'm going to transfer my chicken onto a plate that's right next to my pan and add the pineapple into the pan with the brown bits and all. We simply cook the pineapple for 3 to 4 minutes until the pineapple has browned and all the juices begin to break down. Seriously, so good. While the pineapple is cooked and the pan is juicy and the chicken, I'm gonna add the chicken back into the skillet and toss to combine. Gonna make sure that that chicken gets coated with all the cooking juices. Assembling these tacos is a breeze. So I'm just gonna make a base of shredded purple and green cabbage, mostly because I love texture to my tacos. And it's a nice contrast with the soft pineapple, a scoop of the chicken, and that drizzle of jerk cream, and of course, a little cilantro. These flavors, incredible. I can't wait for you to make this one. Grab the recipe and the link to the Taco Tuesday cookbook right below this video to make every Tuesday the best day of your week. See you next time.